Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the language in Little Nightmares 3 on Steam, step by step. It's really simple, so let's get started. Method 1. First, launch Little Nightmares 3. Once you're in the main menu, go to Settings. Open the Language section. Here, you'll see a list of available languages. Use your keyboard or controller to select the language you want to use. Press Enter to apply the changes. Now the game will update and display in your chosen language. Method 2. Close the game if it's open. Open Steam. Go to your library and find Little Nightmares 3. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the General tab, look for the Language section. Click the drop-down menu and choose the language you want. Once selected, close the window. Now launch the game again and Little Nightmares 3 should be in the language you picked. And that's it. That's how you easily change your language in Little Nightmares 3, either from the game settings or directly through Steam. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and drop a comment below letting me know which language you're playing in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.